Hey friends, if you wish to use Google Classroom, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process because people don't know how to use it. Simply search for Google Chrome or any browser and then go to classroom.google.com and hit enter. Okay. And then you might be logged in using your Google account, or you can switch your account. Once that is confirmed, you can click on continue. Now you are at the home screen from where you can join a class. Okay, or you can select a calendar, or you can access archived classes. Okay, and then obviously you have settings where you can change settings, where you get email notifications or comments on your posts and everything. Now here's the interesting thing about it. Okay, let's say I click on join class. The teacher will give you a code and then you will be able to join. It is a very simple platform, very easy to use, and you don't need to study much for it. Okay, you can also create a class from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.